everybody, Ashley here with my design team post for My Style Stamps. I just wanted to share with you guys the card that I made. This is for my post for this week, and I used the stamp set Coffee Lovers. Here is the stamp set. It is so stinking cute. I am absolutely obsessed with this coffee cup. There's just so much versatility on this set. There's a lot you can do with it, and oh my gosh, I just have been loving paper piecing this set. So here is my card that I made, and I wanted to do like a donut shaker card, so I've got some little donut dies in there, and I just think that it looks so stinking cute. This little cup was inspired by a Starbucks mug that I had got for Christmas, and it has little gold polka dots like this on it. Probably most of you have seen it. It was pretty popular, so I really wanted to make a gold cup, and I did a lot of stamping with my stamps paper pieced, and I also did some die cutting. I have a new die cutting machine, so I have quite a bit of dies on here. And the sentiment here, Coffee Create Repeat, is from this stamp set. And I just love that sentiment. It's so cute. I actually did another card that is on my Instagram, and I masked out the coffee and I put in love. So I had love, create, sleep, repeat. So you wouldn't even have to do the coffee if you wanted it to be a different word. You could totally mask that out. So that is my card. I have all of the products that I used on my blog if you want to see more products. I used these sequins, which is also for My Style Stamps. They are like really pretty iridescent sequins. This is the Bahama Blue mix, and oh my gosh, you guys have to check out the sequins on My Style Stamp site because they're all $1 and you get a ton in the package, and they're really, really pretty. So if you like making shaker cards, I would definitely recommend getting some there. I have quite a few of the colors and I love them so much. And I know some of you are going to ask where I got this little donut die from, and the donut die is from Tailored Expressions, and it's like the teeniest little donut you've ever seen, and I just had to put it with this little coffee cup. The die would be perfect for putting in like little critters' hands, and as soon as I saw it, I just thought shaker card, so I had to pair it with this super cute coffee cup. But if you wanted to see any of the other products that I used, it will be listed on my blog, and I'll have the description for that below. Also, this card will be available in my Etsy shop for purchase if you're interested, and definitely go check out My Style Stamps. This is definitely a great stamp for everyone's collection if they love coffee, or even if you like iced coffee, or I even think this is super cute for a slushie. So definitely go check out their site if you haven't yet, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye now.